Hi, Michael from Masseuse Massage. Today I'm here to talk to you about the awesome Pinnacle Plus Massage Chair. Basically in this video I'm just going to dive into a quick navigation of the remote control so that you know where to look for what you're trying to find when you're using the chair. So if you break the remote control down into sections, it's going to be the easiest way for you to comprehend it. The top section here is just basically telling you what's engaged and what treatments are actually happening at any one time. This bottom section here, you can control the seating position, so you can put the back up and down independently, or the feet. You can also select zero gravity. I prefer the second zero gravity position, pressing it twice and it will automatically recline both the feet and the back at the same time. You have your reflexology roller button where you can adjust the speed and turn it on and off. Your hot stone massage button, which is a really killer function that heats up a carbon fiber heater all the way through the back, and that actually makes your muscles more elastic so you can get a better deep tissue massage. If you look here, you've got your air spa massage controllers. You've also got your automatic massage treatments in this dark section and your manual massage modes in this one on the right. So I'm going to do some videos in a moment that are going to break down each of those sections and give you a little bit more information, but that should help you get a grasp of what is happening on the remote control and each of the sections and what they do. So I hope that helps. Enjoy your massage.